Hello, my name is Omar, and here are some tips on how to have great stage presence. A little bit about myself. I'm pretty passionate about performing. I've been playing in punk and metal bands for about 10 years, and I played upright bass in my college symphonies. I also sang in choir during college. So I had a cool blend of the self-taught DIY aspect, like with the alternative music, learning from YouTube, playing shows with friends throughout high school and college, and also having teachers and mentors one-on-one and in classrooms. So I'm thankful to have this unique blend. I'll be drawing tips from both sides. So first tip, make space if possible. Take the couple seconds to scoot the mic stand out of the way if you're not going to use it. Move your empty guitar cases out of the way off stage if you can. You're trying to get stuff done, trying to set up really quick, but it makes a big difference. You have more space to move, you feel less claustrophobic, but also it gives the audience more reason to focus on you. You know what I mean? Less stuff to distract them. Remember to breathe before your set. Breathe throughout your set. You know, it centers you. Use it in your music. Breathe with your phrases. Breathe with your notes. Breathe with your fills, with everything. It's a subtle thing, but it makes a difference. My friend Billy gave me some good advice. He said, the audience only has as much fun as we're having. If you go to concerts, you know that there's definitely a dynamic between the audience and the performer. If the audience sees the performer going all out, putting her heart into it like the rock star she is, then the audience is going to feel that, they're going to see that, and they're going to reciprocate it. And then that only just gives the performer more energy to work with. It's a beautiful thing. Anyways, when you're on stage, don't worry too much about what people think. Just have fun and you'll be okay. Put your heart into it. Be genuine. Rehearse as if you're gonna perform, especially when it gets closer to the performance. That's why there are such things as dress rehearsals in the theater world. Rehearse in the shoes that you're gonna be wearing, especially if you're gonna be singing, because that changes your posture. If you're practicing in sneakers and then you wear like brand new shoes, still have to break in, then probably not gonna be the best performance. Another good tip, be confident, don't show your mistakes on your face. It's easy to do. You have to be aware of it, like during practice and rehearsals. If you mess up, it's not the end of the world. You show it on your face, you know, you start laughing or smiling, or you're like, whatever. It just makes it that much more obvious. The audience isn't gonna be as familiar with the piece of music as you are, and they probably won't notice if you slip up a little bit and you fudge up a few notes, but you mess up with style. Then afterwards people are just gonna come up to you and be like, well, you look like a rock star up there. No one's gonna know that you messed up if you don't look like you messed up. If you look like you know what you're doing, then that's good. Study other great performers that you admire. Start to ask yourself why you like them so much. Why do you keep coming back to their videos or to their music? What about them is special in your eyes? And you don't even have to necessarily model yourself off of them or whatever, but just the act of like analyzing and studying, it'll make you more aware of yourself as a performer. Another thing is to observe your bandmates, observe your group, both visually and sonically. I'll look at my bandmates to see like where they really start dancing during a certain section of a song, and I'll start dancing with them and try and like match what they're doing. Like, not only do we sync up like visually, like the audience will see us dancing together, but it influences the way we play too, more synchronicity. And then listen to, like, if they do a certain fill at a certain part, maybe I'll accent their fill. Maybe I'll dance to their fill or something like that. I don't know. Just observe the people around you, and it'll inspire things. Please like, subscribe, and comment.
check out my Patreon if you want to support me.
What tips do you have for me? Let me know if you want me to go into more depth about anything or if you have any other questions. You're a rock star.
If you sub, I'll show you the way.